Okay, so this is a 2010 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to do oil change, check the fluids, and rotate the tires on it. Alright, so these cars are kind of a pain. There's a lot of plastic. But 5W30 is what it takes. It says right there. The oil that's in it doesn't even look bad. I mean, that's pretty good looking oil. Looks better than the oil that's in my truck. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get that draining. Well, since I drove over my oil pan when I was working on the truck, I've created a new one. This will at least let me do my wife's car. Nope. Try 15. Oh, that's a ticket. Oh my God. Jesus. Did I do that? If I did, I'm an asshole. And there's like nowhere good for that oil to drain either. It's gonna drain right on top of a motor mount or something. Looks like this guy. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I don't know if you all can see. Well, it actually feels like it's moving pretty easy. Yeah, I got it with my hand. That's good. Okay. Yep. There goes the oil out of it. Man, it's not I mean, it just doesn't. It sits right on top of the exhaust. It's just gonna drain oil right to the exhaust, right on top of it. I don't like that, but what am I supposed to do? Damn, it's awkward. Alright, so I put oil on this new one. Oh, if you're doing a 2010 Traverse and you need part numbers, here's the part number. AutoZone had a sale going on if you got the extended life, so this one's supposed to be good for 10,000 miles, which I'm not gonna take it that long, but I'll let her put about 5 on it. I'm gonna put the plug back in, put some new oil in it, and change the air filter and check some other fluids. Alright, the plug's in, so time to add oil. Her car uses 5.5 quarts of oil. Let's see if we can do it without making a mess this time. Yeah. So it's going to take this whole jug and then a half a little bottle. It's held in by Torx bolts. Nice.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
These hoses, kind of. Okay. God. Well, getting that back in is going to be a nightmare. Oh. Okay. It doesn't look as good as I thought it did. There's the old one. Out. Alright. So I need to get it off the jacks and run it for a few minutes, and then we'll check the oil again. I'm gonna let that run for a few minutes. Alright. Gonna check the oil level now. See if I can put you somewhere that you'll stay. Nope, apparently not. It's weird that my camera will stay right here, but not there. Clean her off. Drop her right back down in there. Back out. Oh yeah, she full. She might even be a little over full, but that'll be okay, I guess. Okay. Alright, well that wraps up the 2010 Traverse video.